Hello. Trying something new can be really scary, but it can also be exciting. You know it's not going to be as good as what you've done before, and it's not going to be as skilled, and it's certainly not going to be as polished as what you've done before. However, it's going to be different. You don't even know whether or not your audience is going to like it, or whether they're going to hate it, or whether they're just going to be embarrassed about it. But actually, none of that matters. Because what matters is that you've learnt by it and that you've grown from it. So to help me across the threshold of actually doing something totally new, I did a course on Skillshare by Anastasia Shalik, which was a very good course. And the techniques in this video use the techniques I learnt from her, but the artworks and the ideas are all mine. So first, you fold paper and cut out the characters, just like making paper dolls. And that's so that you can come up with symmetrical characters. I hate symmetry. I really have a thing about it. I absolutely hate it. And I would never have done symmetrical characters myself. But I'm trying something new, so I went with that. Then the next thing was to create poses. And to do that, you just got a big flat brush, dip it in some paint, and just create poses. Imagine how somebody might be. Think to yourself, what kind of pose would that be? So these are the 6 poses I did. And then I looked at the poses, I looked at the characters, and I chose 3 of these characters and 2 of the poses. And then started making a composition. The composition had to have a story behind it in my mind. And the story had to be about challenge. So this is the composition I did, and here's a drawing of it. The image is intended to show a woman dealing with the challenge of moving from one place to another, and who helps her on the way and who she helps on the way, and what it feels like, how she experienced it. And so this is the painting challenge. I hope you like it. I really enjoyed doing it. Have a go yourself. Take a risk. Do something totally new. It's exciting. Thank you for watching. This was a painting done for the Armchair Painting Group.